Hi guys, welcome yet to another video. Thank you for all your suggestions and comments. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. On today's video, we're going to do a tutorial on making the flag of a country called the United Arab Emirates. Kindly stay tuned. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills I've gained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. Okay, in making the United Arab Emirates flag, we'll need the following tools. We'll need a fishing line. For us, we use the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. You'll need a nail cutter or scissors to cut the fishing line, and you'll also need beads. The colors of the United Arab Emirates flag are white, black, green, and red. So as always, we begin by pouring our beads onto our working plate. We put our red beads, the black beads, the green and white beads. This procedure is important because for you to know that these beads are different. They are the ones that come in strings, and that means they are mostly perfect and the neat ones compared to the other ones that come in packets. So these are the beads that we prefer to use so that you can have perfect outcome. So we begin to make the flag. We'll begin with the red stripe. So you pick 3 beads on the right, 3 red beads on the right, and 1 red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. For those of us who are new here, if you don't know what crisscrossing is, kindly stay tuned and you'll learn. You should have a star that looks like that. Also make sure that you're following each step correctly so that you have it correct. So the next step, you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you pick another red bead on the right, and then slowly you can see the demonstration of what crisscrossing is you pass the fishing line from the left side through the bead like that, so that they crisscross, and then you pull slowly until the bead reaches the others, so you have something that looks like this. Also make sure that your fishing line is balanced at all times so that you have a neat finish. You should have something like that looks like this. Then we proceed. For those of us who are new here, kindly you can also check on our previous videos to see more tutorials on beading. We've repeated the same procedure. Pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and another red bead on the right. Then you crisscross on the final red bead like that. That's what we are doing there. You should have something that looks like this. I hope you are all together. Remember, on this tutorial we're making the United Arab Emirates flag. So anyone of you who is learning from the UAE, kindly let us know if you learned something on the comments down below. So you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you pick another red bead on the right, and then you crisscross again like that. Then you continue. So you should have something that is neat and looks like this. That's why we love the beads that come in strings. Then you proceed. The next step is we are going to be making a corner, so kindly observe. You pick a red bead on the right and 2 red beads on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. If you notice, this is different. It's not like how we've been doing it. So by doing so, we'll make a corner. That's cornering. And some of you have been asking me how to corner. I hope this demonstration will also help you learn it better. So now the fishing line should look like this by this point, and then we proceed. You pick 2 red beads from the left hand, so that you can complete the corner, and then you pick a red bead on the right hand, 1, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. I hope that is clear, and you should have something that looks like this. Okay, I hope you are all together by there. And then now from the fishing line that we are holding on the left, you pass it through the next red bead like this. I hope you can see that. Yeah, like that. Only 1 red bead, and then you pull your fishing line. You should have something that looks like this. You need to take it slowly, make sure you get it right. Then you continue. You pick a red bead from the right, a red bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. Kindly make sure that you are with us through every step if you're using this tutorial to learn. Make sure you go each step by step together with us so that you get it right. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left like that. I hope you're all together by there. So we proceed. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead on the right, a red bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the left. You should have something that looks like this. You proceed. Now we've gotten to the bottom. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. Then you pick a red bead from the right, a red bead from the left, and then you crisscross on the red bead from the right. And then now we are going to make another corner. Kindly observe. You pick a red bead from the right, and also on this corner is where we're going to be introducing the other primary colors of the UAE flag. So from this one, the bottom color is black, so we're going to pick 1 black bead from the right, and then you pick a red bead from the left, and you crisscross on the red left bead like that. Should have something that looks like this. You pass the fishing line through the next red bead, and then you continue. You pick a white bead from the right. That's the next color that we've seen is on the UAE flag. And then a red bead on the left. And then you crisscross. And then you pass the fishing line through the next red bead like that. For those of us who already know or are familiar to this tutorials, I know that you have already seen the pattern is just the same pattern that we use. It's only the colors that we change. So once you learn this pattern, you can do basically any design that you like. So let's continue. As you can see, we've put another white bead, so we're proceeding. You pick a green bead. Sorry, we're going to pick a white bead. The white part is going to be slightly thicker, and a red bead from the left. Then you crisscross. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, you can comment on the videos or tutorials that you'd love to see next on this channel, and we sure will try our best to do a tutorial on your requests. We've gotten to the green part, so we pick a red bead on the left, green bead on the right, and then we crisscross on the green bead from the right, like that. By this step you should have something that looks exactly like this, so that you can proceed smoothly. You pick 2 green beads on the left and 1 green bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the green bead from the right. I would like also to thank you all who have been commenting. It gives us strength to see your positive feedback, and also gives us the morale to continue making more tutorials. So thank you for the comments, and please keep them coming. You pass the fishing line through the white bead. You pick a white bead from the right, a white bead from the left, and you crisscross on the white bead from the left, like that. You should have something that looks like that. Then you pass the fishing line through the white bead. If it's your first time here and you're finding it hard to learn, you can just kindly go to our videos on our page. On our channel you'll see that we have a lot of tutorials. You can learn gradually, and then you'll be able to master this process. Proceed. It's basically the same pattern we're repeating. You pass the fishing line through the white bead, then you pick a white bead on the right and a black bead on the left, then you crisscross in the black bead, like that. As you can see, the flag has already started taking shape. Pick a black bead on the right, a black bead on the left, then you crisscross on the black bead from the right. Also, don't forget to share this with your friends and family and people that you know love art, so that they can come and learn something new here. We've picked 2 black beads from the right and a black bead from the left, one, and then you crisscross on the black bead from the left, like that. And then you pass the fishing line through the next white bead. Then you pick a white bead from the right, a white bead from the left, then you crisscross on the white bead from the left. Also, if you want us to continue with this flag for it to become a bracelet, let us know on the comments section below, so that we can make it to be a full bracelet. For now, we are going to make it to be just a flag, but if you want us to make it to a full sized bracelet, kindly let us know on the comment section below, so that we can proceed with making the United Arab Emirates flag as a bracelet. You should have something that looks like this by now. You will pick a white bead on the right, a white bead on the left, a green bead on the left, and you crisscross on the green bead from the left. And then you pass the fishing line through the next green bead. You pick a green bead on the right, a green bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the green bead from the right. You'll have something that looks like this by now. As you can see, the flag is already taking shape. So as you have seen, that's basically you repeat the same procedure, crisscrossing, passing the fishing line through the next bead until you get to your desired product. And for us, you can see the United Arab Emirates flag is almost done. If you'd love us to do a tutorial on a bracelet on the same, kindly let us know on the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.